Can you explain all the 4 options of 2024? Well, a lot of people may know the answer, but they may not explain all the 4 options. Firstly, let me ask you, how can you pronounce these numbers? I'm sure that you pronounce these numbers as 55, 66 and 77. Have you ever tried to pronounce these numbers as 25s, 26 and 27s? I'm 100% sure that your answer is absolute no. On the other side, in our daily life, we say that it is 55, it is 66 and it is 77. We never and ever say 25s, 26 and 27s. So remember these important points. Now coming to these 4 options, let me explain each and every one. In the D option, there are 2, 0, 4 and 4. In the C option, there are 0, 0, 2 and 4. In the B option, there are 0, 0, 4 and 4. While in the A option, there are 2, 0, 2 and 4. So the correct option is A. Therefore, all the options are wrong and this A option is 100% right. Thus note down this important explanation.